Hey everyone, it's nice to catch you up on another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restrict WooCommerce coupon usage. I'm excited to share with you some helpful tips while we do that. So let's just dive right into the video. With WooCommerce, you have a variety of options to restrict coupon usage. I'll walk you through each one of them so you can make the most out of this feature. Right, so I have already created a coupon code in WooCommerce. To find this coupon code, you'll have to just go to marketing, and under coupons, you'll be able to create your coupons, and also you'll see the coupons that you have created being listed there. Now, this is the coupon that I've created. I'm going to show you the options available to restrict the coupon usage. So let me just click on this edit option, which will take you to the configuration of the coupon code. Now you can just feel free to edit anything you want, but since this video is going to be focusing on coupon usage limits or restrictions, I'm going to be taking you to the usage restriction under coupon data. Now let's click on usage restriction, and here you'll be able to see a variety of options starting from minimum spend. So in case you want this particular coupon code to apply only when customers spend a minimum of a certain amount, then you can just enter the value here. Let's say 1,000. It means the customer should spend at least $1,000 to qualify for this coupon code. Now this is a deal 10 coupon code, which means a 10 fixed discount is offered at the cart. So only if this condition is met, you'll be able to see that the coupon is applicable for the customer. Then comes maximum spend, which is similar to minimum. The only difference is that this is the maximum amount a customer can spend. You can choose to restrict it with this option. And next, you also have individual use only. You may have to check this box in case you want this coupon to not. You may have to check this. You may have to check this box in case you want the coupon to not be used in conjunction with the other coupons. That means when this coupon is applied, no other coupon is going to work for the customers. And then you also have an option to exclude sale items. So if you check this box, the sale items, the items that have sale price set in WooCommerce, they will be excluded from the coupon's discount. Nice. And then you also have products. You can also be specific about the products that will have to be present in order for customers to apply this coupon. So you can just search for the product. Let's say only if cap is present. So you can just select the cap product here. And in case you want to exclude such products, you can also do that. So if this product is in the cart, then it won't apply a discount for it. So here you can filter the product and select it. Likewise, you also have product categories. You can also include a specific category or many, and then you can exclude them as well. You can also enter certain emails that you would like to apply. You can also enter certain emails that are eligible for this coupon codes. So here we go. You can just enter the email address here. Great. So these are some usage restrictions. Apart from usage restrictions, you also have usage limits. So if you go to this usage limits, you'll be able to see that you have an opportunity to limit the coupon per coupon and then per user. So if you set one here, let's say for example, usage limit per coupon is 1, which means this coupon can only be used once entirely. Which means this coupon can only be used once entirely, and then the other customers or the same customer will not be able to use it again. This is all about usage limit per coupon. And the next option is usage limit per user. So if you set this to 1 here, it means this coupon will apply to each user only once. So if I am the user and I'm using this coupon once in my order, I'll not be able to use it again. And the same applies to another user called B. So this is how it works. So these are some restrictions that you can give for your WooCommerce coupons, and these are excellent, isn't it? If you're looking for even more options or want to use dynamic coupons, I highly recommend checking out the Discount Rules Pro plugin. Your customers will be thrilled with the added benefits, and it's sure to boost your sales. I can't wait to see you all again soon. See you in another video.